What is going on, guys? Greggles TV. This is the Kasa Smart Wi-Fi plug, and this is a 2-pack. You can pick it up on Amazon. I'll link it down below. And basically what it's going to do is it's going to turn your dumb things such as fans and lights and make them smart, controllable through the Kasa app and through Google Home and Amazon Alexa. And it's very simple to set up. You can see this is the insert inside the box, and it's 3 steps to get it set up. You download the Kasa app, you add the plug to the Kasa app inside, and then you plug it in and power it up, and that's basically it. And then I'll basically, just to show you, this is the where you'd go to either the Google Play Store or on the Apple App Store and download Kasa Smart, and then create an account. Once you create the account, you go in there and you verify your email for your account. And then after that, again, it's so simple. Set your location, allowing it to see that. That way it can control your lights and things like that, and the way you set them up so that it will be easier for it to know where you are. And again, just add the device, go through the setup. It's the most simple smart Wi-Fi plug I've ever had, and the most reliable. So if you want to stop watching the video right now, you can. If you're looking for a reason to buy this, it's awesome. It works really well. And then once it's all set up, in terms of it being set up inside the Kasa app, it's really simple to control it. You go into that app and there's an on-off switch that you can press. You can give these different names. So like I have one connected to a bunny lamp, so I call it bunny. And then I have another one connected to a small fan. And I can control those within this app. So that's one way you can control it. The other way you can control it is within Google Home, like I said earlier, or Amazon Alexa. Hey Google, bunny off. Hey Google, bunny on.
You got it. Turning on the bunny.
So to go over what I said earlier, this is a definite product you want to purchase. If you have like dumb lamps, dumb lights, whatever you want to call them, you just plug them directly into this and that's it. And it just works. It's really simple to set up, have them be schedules or whatever you want, timers. All that stuff is really simple to use within this app and to get going. So if you want to pick these up, I'll link them down below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you down the road.